So invoice is posted. Let me make note of few things. So my invoicing document is this. Okay. Then this is the invoice amount. This is very less amount, 1332. Okay, that's fine. Very less amount. These are the two posting amounts. Go to the posting document. Two FICA documents I can see. This one is here the revenue of 1400 revenue, and here I think there is a discount. So the net revenue is 1400 minus 1200. Okay, so here you see revenue is of 1400 credit. Revenues are generally credited. But here in the second document, we see revenue is of 200. So invoice is posted. Let me make note of few things. So my invoicing document is this. Okay. Then this is the invoice amount. This is very less amount, 1332. Okay, that's fine. Very less amount. These are the two posting amounts. Go to the posting document. Two FICA documents I can see. This one is here the revenue of 1400 revenue, and here I think there is a discount. So the net revenue is 1400 minus 1200. Okay, so here you see revenue is of 1400 credit. Revenues are generally credited. But here in the second document, we see revenue is of 200. So plus 200, that means we are going to distribute revenue of 1200. So coincidentally, we have taken such an amount which will be easier to calculate, round figure. Okay, but again 1200, but it is not spread across 12 months. Okay, it the from date and to date was not 12 month. So I'll record. So how much is my revenue? My revenue is 1200, and revenue recognition from date, revenue recognition to date. My RR from date and RR to date was 12th, sorry, 7th December 2024, 7th December 2024 till 4th July 2025. Okay, so 4th July 2025. So if I want to see what is that, how many days difference? Difference between dates. So 7 December 2024, 7 December 2024 to 4th of July 25, 4th July 2025. Calculate duration. Duration is 209 days. Okay, it is coming 209 days. So I will difference 209 days. That means per day recognition, per day RR. Per day RR should be equal to, although this is round figure, but the period is not like that. Okay, so here we do daily deferred revenue recognition. So equal to 1200 divided by 209. Okay, so per day 5.74 worth of revenue should be recognized. Okay, so let's see whether this is our expectation. Let's see whether this has happened or not. So once this invoice is generated, so I'll go to the invoice this bill invoice. Once this invoice is generated, copy the invoice document number and go to the header table /o AC16N DFKK def rev head. Okay, here you search with Control F INV doc. Here I'll enter the invoice document number and I'll execute. Okay, so it is saying that it is going to bifurcate. This is my total revenue. Okay, this is my total revenue that it is going to distribute. Okay, this is the header table. Then we go to so I told you there will be three tables involved. So a header table, trigger table, and posting table. Sorry, I just added couple of folks. Yeah, so header table you have seen. This is how the header table looks like. Now let's see the trig table. Right now everything will be in deferral. Okay, entire 209, entire 1200 will be in deferral because I have not run the deferred revenue process yet. Okay, so let's see the trig table. Entire 1200 will be in the trig table. So I'll go to the trig table /o AC16N def trig. Okay, here I can search with invoice document number or I can search with the assignment. So assignment comes at the beginning. So with assignment, I'm executing. Here it has created 420 entries. Okay, now here if you see the amounts and put a summation, you'll see entire 1200 is in future. I mean future meaning not yet recognized. Trig table contains the items which are not yet recognized and POS table contains the items which are already recognized. Okay, so entire 1200 is in future. So here you will see it has bifurcated. So it has bifurcated from 7-Eleven because by 7-Eleven. Oh, was it 7-Eleven? Because I mentioned 712 now. Let me see why did it take 7-Eleven? Is it 7-Eleven actually? No, this is 712. Why has it taken? We have customized the code. It does not refer to this state, but it refers to this state. Okay, so it has considered from 7-Eleven. Okay, so I'll change the calculation then. Okay, I'll here something it is not taken from the custom. So anyway, so I'll change it to 7-Eleven. Okay, now the period difference will be something else. So here I'll put 7-Eleven. Calculate duration, it is 239 days. Okay, so 239 days, that means per day revenue recognition will be 5.02. Okay, let's validate whether the per day revenue recognition is 5.02 or not. So in the trig table you'll see per day will have two lines because one line for there are, remember that thing, 1400 minus 200. Okay, that's why two GLs are there. That's why per day we'll have two lines. So if I consider, say I want to see these days, set filter 5.74. Oh, okay. It is 7-Eleven doesn't have any line item, doesn't have any amount. So it is 712 only. My bad. I'll just explain again. So 7-Eleven doesn't have any amount. It starts from 712 only. Okay, 712 only. My bad. So I'll go back to the previous 712. This is
Yeah, so we missed that one. Just now only we got connected, if you are explaining.
What?
We just connected now only.
No,
Have you
no, no.
started 5 10 minutes before?
Everybody connected right now?
Yeah.
Can anyone else confirm? I added couple of
Oh,
you right now.
No, we
no.
are from past 10 minutes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I added everybody on 7:19. Then couple of folks came again later. Then I'll join them. I added them. Okay. Don't worry. You'll go through the recording. So I'll just give you a brief. So I have noted down the invoice document number, the revenue amount, and the from date and to date. Then I found the distance between from date and to date is 209 days. Okay. Then per day revenue recognition will be per day revenue recognition will be okay. Let me do again. 1200 divided by 209. Okay. Per day revenue recognition will be 5.74. Okay, so total 1200 distributed across this period, so 209 days. Per day revenue recognition will be 5.74. And here I can see that if I put a filter on any date, set filter, then I can see that 5.74 is the revenue recognition per day. It is going to recognize 5.74. Okay, so it is in trig table, that means nothing is being recognized yet. And similarly there will be the last table, which is a pause table slash show AC16N. Here, once it is recognized, it will move to the pause table. Okay, POS table. Here we will control F A double S K Y assignment key. Assignment key is this one. Here in the assignment key, we have reported amount. Okay, nothing is being reported. That means no deferral has taken place. Now I have to run the deferral engine, which will transfer, which will do all this entry, all this accounting transaction. That is the transaction that I talked about. This one, first day, it will perform these two entries. I mean, not 240. It will perform 5.74, 5.74. First day, what will it do? In this case, the entire 1200 and 1200 it will post. Then here 5.74, here 5.74. Okay, like that it will keep on posting. Next month 5.74, 5.74. Like that it will run. At the end of 209 days, entire 1200 will be recognized. Okay, so in this example, it was very simple. But when I post it, it will not be that simple. Why? Because when I post it, it will post for up to from 7/12/24 2024 till 3rd of February. It is going to post in one shot. Okay, but we can validate how much is posted and how much posting is needed to I mean in future. That way we can bifurcate. Okay, so if I bifurcate right now before I post, so how much should be? So from date will be 7/12 and to date will be 3rd February 2025. Okay, let's validate how much, what is the distance between from date and today's date. So we can calculate first, then we'll validate. This is 3rd February 2025. So duration is 88 days. So difference is 88 days. That means equal to 1200 multiplied by 88 divided by 209. That means 505 should be accrued, and out of 1200, if 505 is accrued, then 694 will be deferral. Okay, so when I run the deferred revenue, my expectation is this amount will appear in the pause table and this amount will appear in the trig table. Okay, right now everything is in trig table. Entire 1200 is in trig table. Trig table shows which are in future. Okay, right now since I have not executed, although this one should be in past, this one should be recognized, this one should be to be recognized, but I have not run the program. So once I run the program, this is my expectation that this is how it is going to split. Let's validate whether it will split this way or not. Okay, so for a deferred revenue, we run the program called /o FPDR by event. Okay, event based deferred revenue, FPDR by event. This is a mass program, so I'll copy from an existing run, any old run, maybe this one. Copy def1. Okay,
This program
runs
we use
daily
for other activities as well, or for this activity only?
for deferred revenue only.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll run it for today, 03/02/2025. Okay, then go to custom selections. Here I want to run it for my assignment key only, not for others. In real project, in real production environment, it runs for all. So I just want to bifurcate. So show me my assignment key. Okay, defer based on my assignment key only. So my CC sends me unique assignment key. If they don't send, then this calculation will be messed up. Okay, so only for this assignment key, rest all is fine. Make sure we have additional information. Okay, so what am I trying to do? Let me give you a brief before I go ahead. My revenue is for the period of 7th December till 4th of July, and that means this 1200 will be divided into 209 days. If I do that, per day revenue recognition is 5.74, which we have just matched. Yes, it is 5.74. Now I cannot, when I run the deferral, I cannot run till 31st of December. I cannot run till 31st of Jan. When the deferral happens, it has to run till today's date. Okay, till today's date, I'll see what's the difference. 1200 from 7/12 to 3/2. There is 88 days. So out of 209, 88 will be deferral. Sorry, 88 will be accrual. That is 88 is recognized, and rest whatever is left, 120 or 190, 110 something, that will be in. So how much is left? Out of 209, 88 has gone past. So 121 will be deferral. This is accrual. This will be accrual. This will be deferral. Okay, let's validate. So the program is ready. Save, schedule program run, click on OK. It's running, it is completed. Go to the logs, application log. 636 entries it has recorded, because each day there will be two, because it was not 1200 in one shot, it was 1400 minus 200. That's how the 1200 was calculated. Click on wherever you see business object populated, here the accounting entry will come. Okay, so right click and click on set filter, enter. So this many accounting document has been posted. Why is this many? Because remember 88 days have gone past. Okay, so let me open the first accounting entry. So this one, click on this, it will open the accounting entry. Okay, in this environment, the doc type we have configured as DR. So /o fqc0. Here we have mentioned that posting area 1221, deferred revenue doc type is DR. Okay, then it has this is my deferred revenue GL. It has transferred into this deferred revenue GL. This is my original revenue. Okay, two revenues are there. One is normal revenue and the other one is a discount. Okay, 301 is a discount and 101 is the original revenue. Like that. So the posting that I told you, that was easier, but in real project, when you run for, if you run one by one, then it will be easier. But when you run this way, this will be messed up. Okay, this will be really messed up. But we can see the calculation from the trig and pos table. Now, if I go to the trig table, you'll see all the revenue splits are appearing in the trig table, that is, which are waiting to be recognized. 1200. The moment I hit refresh, here in the screen we'll find the items from 4th of February till 3rd of July. Because before 4th of February, that means till 3rd of February, everything will move from trig table to pos table. Meaning trig means to be recognized and pos means already recognized. That means before till 3rd February, everything will be moved from this table. Okay, so refresh here. So 300 lines are left. See, it starts from 4th of February. Before that, if I transfer date, if I put ascending, so before 4th of February, nothing is left. All are moved from tree table. That is, they no longer are to be recognized. They are already recognized. Okay. So now if I see how much is to be recognized, I put a summation here. Now 861.24 is to be recognized. And as per our calculation, this is not matching. How come this is not matching? 694 point. Okay, let me check one more time. So here it says 861.24 is to be recognized, and how much is already recognized, that will appear in the POS table. I go to the POS table, hit refresh, refer to the reported amount. Okay, reported amount, summation 338.76. Now the calculation is, first let me see whether these two are adding up to 1200. So if I open calculator, then I'll see the this logic. 338 338.76 is recognized, plus 861.24 to be recognized. 861.24 to recognize. Okay, 1200 is saying, but here how much is recognized? 338.67. Okay, let me check. So here it will start from 7/11, okay, till 3rd of February. Let me see that, if is it till 3rd of February. Okay, let me do ascending, that way it will show better. Okay, it has recognized till 3rd of February. Okay, uh, and every day it is recognizing 5.74, I guess. 6.7 minus 0.96. Okay, 5.74 only it is recognizing. Then how come did I make a my calculation is incorrect or what? Let me calculate again. So this distance is 88 days from this to this. 3rd of February. Let me see. Okay, sorry, 7/12. My bad. This is why it went wrong. So we start from 7th of December. Okay, sorry, my bad. So that means 58 days, not 88. My bad. 58 days. Okay, 58 days. Now it is matching. See, 333.01. Is it showing the correct one? 1200 multiplied by 58 divided by 209. 333.04. Is it? I saw it is 338, and it is, hang on, let me do the calculation again. Maybe some mistake I'm doing. I'll remove this. Equal to 1200 into 58 divided by 209. 333.14, and it is coming 338. Okay, maybe some, because this is custom, maybe some issue is there. So this is how it actually distributes. Okay, we have enhanced one event. That event will check. I'll tell you right now. Let me see the event. What is that event? FQ events. What does that event do? That event sees and distributes the line item uh, based on the custom field. Which one have I enhanced? These are all 11 and 1800 series. What about this one? Okay, I'll take a look which one is enhanced. One of the event we have enhanced, okay, and I'll confirm which event we have enhanced. So basically, do I see billing provider sample invoice event? Okay, I'll take a look. 8170. Let me check. 81, is it 8170? 8170. No, this is not. So one of the event is enhanced, and what does it do? It refers back to the RR from date and RR 2 days, and based on that, it splits. Okay, it splits the revenue, and every day once the deferred revenue runs, it splits between trig and pos table. How much is already recognized? Sorry, pos means already recognized, and trig means to be recognized. Okay, this is how the splitting happens. So we'll stop here and we'll continue with this tomorrow. I'll tell you which event we have enhanced. Okay. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
hi. So if you have 5 minutes of time,
No.
I'm
You
getting one
ping
issue
me.
in
You
profit center and
you ping
cost
me. You
center.
ping me. You ping me. I'll get back to you. Okay. I don't have time now.
I already sent one document like regarding cost center issue.
I replied to you. Profit
So
center is
I'll check
missing,
that.
right? Yes.
Yeah.
I sent you a
No, I'm not
highlighted.
able to assign the company code. I have another issue. Okay, I'll send that one also. Yeah.
Okay. New one.